Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sonkara. This is yet another case on the maintenance, section 125 crpc. So please remember, as you all know, it is a literal interpretation that only minor child, minor son or daughter, or even though major, if she is not married or if she has to is dependent on the father, only those people, even the sons of illegal birth, yes, definitely they are also entitled. That much all we know. This is a literal interpretation. We need not explain so much about the particular section 125 crpc. But please remember, it is a clear case that major son or major daughter, the son who has become a major or the daughter who has become a major and got married, they are not entitled. Please accept as per a statute or personal law like Muslim law comes into their aid. So this judgment was given by Justice Sanjay Dhar of Jammu Kashmir High Court at Ladakh. So while hearing the plea of aziz Zargar versus Nabel, Shoukat and others in CRM within brackets M number 238/19 dated 2/9/2022 held that a major son or a major daughter cannot be awarded maintenance by the so-called magistrate under section 125 crpc. This we must know, but why this case has come up, we shall have to discuss. That's why let us go to the facts of the case. Please remember, so this respondent is Shoukat Aziz. Yeah, Nabel Shoukat. So this Nabel Shoukat is the son of that woman with his mother, Nilofar John, son of Nilofar John, and also this Shoukat Aziz Zargar. She is actually Muslim, second wife we can say. And he was working in the army or some job, and while later after his retirement only, these people got maintenance at the rate of 1200 per month. Actually after his retirement this has come. So 1200 per month. Later, please remember, this boy, this Shoukat, what is his name? Nabel Shoukat, he became a major. Now the point has come. Since he is a major, the father objected for paying the so-called maintenance to the family, or he wants to lessen the burden on his part. But this man says, I do not have any means of my own livelihood. I cannot work like that. Since he is dependent on his mother, he wanted the maintenance to be continued. Lot of discussions in the family court went on. Ultimately, the family court actually, no doubt, magistrate has no jurisdiction under 125 crpc, because 125 crpc says, so if any person having sufficient means neglects or refuses to maintain his legitimate or illegitimate minor child, whether married or not, unable to maintain itself. Minor child unable to maintain itself. Point number C, his legitimate or illegitimate child not being a married daughter who has attained majority, where such a child is by reason of any physical or mental abnormality or injury unable to maintain himself. Here is okay, no abnormality, nothing. So still he wants to maintenance from his father. So this is not allowed by the family court. Of course, family court has got jurisdiction in the appropriate cases to grant maintenance under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Acts, section 20, clause 1. Of course, 125 crpc plus section 20, you may be knowing, they will be giving orders like that. Right. Now the point is, upon getting the age of majority, he is not to get any maintenance. So this has been actually substantiated by the family court. Then they went to the High Court, and ultimately now the father went to the High Court, J&K High Court. So it is actually the court has interpreted in Pari Materia. That means if there are two laws on the same subject, you have to take the considerable view. So section 125 crpc and section 488 clause 1 of the Jammu Kashmir crpc. So please remember, basing on the Supreme Court judgment, Amarendra Kumar Pal versus Maya Pal and Sons and others 2009. So the court drew the interpretation of Pari Materia and said, if the child is not able to maintain itself, yes, maintenance can stay given. If the major son is crippled or he is physically disabled, yes, but when he is a hale and healthy person, there is absolutely no necessity to go for maintenance to him. This you know, but anyway, since the case has come, I am making this video. It will be definitely useful. If anybody wants to file a case, definitely it will be rejected. So please read the case of Shoukat Aziz Zargar, he is the father, versus Nabel, Shoukat and others children who they killed for maintenance. It's not allowed. Thank you.